How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Glad to see y'all are here. What's up, CB? Hughes, Nebraska. Rambo Rob. Doug Allman. Andy Evans. God Family Country. Max C. What's up, Gary? I can't say thank you enough to all of you. Anybody, I'm gonna be making another video saying thank you just to the, everybody that that basically helped donate to help get me out. I really want to give a huge shout out to Mark James Madison Audits. James Madison Audits. He sent my wife pretty much most of the money to help get me out, and I can't say thank you enough to James Madison. Obviously my wife, I can't say thank you enough to her. Just so that we can get into it, I was arrested for open carry in Florida. It wasn't, yeah. Without me talking about it, trust me, I had a fishing pole and I was on my way. But I was arrested for open carry, and I was also given the charge of resisting without violence. So those were the two charges. My bond was $1,500, and yeah. And I'll let you know, man. I got arrested at 10, and I am just now leaving Miami after collecting all my stuff. So if you can imagine, it's been a long, almost 2 days now, and it's just, it is what it is. Yeah. But I'm right now, I am driving on the highway. I want to, like I said, I'm going to talk to you for a few minutes, but I can't say thank you enough to every one of you in being here in support. And I'm gonna let you know, it's very humbling to have such a group of people that actually have my six. It's even in life, it's it can be hard to trust people, and I think I've found a very big group of people that I can put trust in, because they were there fighting for me and trying to help me get out of. It's unreal. I mean, that's right there. That's my wristband still. This is the only gift I got from Miami. But yeah, it was crazy time, crazy events. I'm really not going to be talking about this. You probably will not see this video until, I'm going to guess, until after my court date. So I'll keep you informed on when the court date is. For anybody that's in the Miami area that would like to come to it, I'm pretty sure you're allowed to, come in and watch. You may not be able to record inside the courthouse, but that as things happen, I will inform all of you about what's going on, about the court date and all that stuff. So, and fingers crossed. Hopefully they just drop it and they just say, we're dropping the charges, and hopefully that's what happens. But who knows? I don't know what's going to happen. That's all I can hope. At this point, I would rather not have to go back to Miami, but you got to do what you got to do. I'm not going to run from this. I'm not going to hide from this. I'm just going to take it, embrace it, learn from it, and we'll see where else it goes. So, but I see Angel in the house. I see Invictus Media, Jack Attack Audits. We got DJ Lurch, Roe. We got Rights Crispy, Joe Cool. What's up, brother? Yeah, boy. But yeah, I can't say thank you enough to everybody that has been right here in support and helping me get out of jail, man. That was it was a rough day for sure. I'll let you know, guns weren't pointed at me, so that was I always look at that as a positive, is when I don't get guns pointed at me. So, but other than that, it's we'll see where the dust settles. That's all I can say. You know, depending on whatever happens, you know, yeah, we'll see what happens. And that's all I can say. That's all I can really talk about. I want to, trust me, y'all, I want to put this video out there and let y'all see what happened and how it happened. But right now, it's just not going to happen right now. So, that being said, I hope everybody is doing well. I'm doing well. I'm a little groggy, tired. I'm a little, like, you know how you're so tired that you're not angry, but you're like this, everything just makes you frustrated. That's where I'm at right now, is like, just, you know, even going to the store to get a pack of, you know, cigarettes and shit. You know, the clerk's trying to give me a bunch of crap about how I'm wearing, I had to wear a mask in Miami. Everything's mask. So you see it, but I go into the store and they're just, you know, it was sitting like this, and she wanted me to pull the whole thing up. I'm like, no, and it irked me to the point where I just walked out. I was just like, you know, something, fucking, I don't even care. But anyway, like I said, I'm just kind of gonna ramble a little bit. 100 of you in here, please smash that thumbs up. Let's break the algorithm. Let's make sure you're commenting on this video. Share this video right now. Make sure, like I said, there's going to be a lot of people that I do want to give another shout out. Mr. Jenkins, Mr. Stephen Jenkins. He was the one that was actually there when I walked out the door about 1:30, and he'd been sitting there. I think he said he got there around 8 or 9 at night, and basically sat out front and waited for me. And you know, that's where, you know, it's kind of, it's not that I just never thought, I mean, I knew there were people who were passionate, they loved what I did, but I didn't realize how special a group of people that I have, not only on my channel, but who I surround myself with and who I call good friends, you know. And all these people, Dennis, Cop 350ZX, Dennis Eggleston, you know, there's some amazing people. Rick Thomas, we've got another good friend of mine, John. I mean, when I make this other video, it's going to be when I get home, probably tomorrow, and I can sit down and, you know, collect my thoughts. I really need to get some sleep, but I have to go to work after this and all that jazz, so I won't be getting any sleep until about a little after 10 or 11 tonight. And, oh, just by the way, I'm a little grounded right now. I'm grounded. The wife has put me on restriction, and I'm grounded. I can't go out and open carry for a little bit. Don't worry, I'm still going to be making videos, and I'm still going to be doing some things. I have some backlog footage that I can start releasing again. So, you know, it's not that the channel's going to die. It's just, I'm grounded. And if any of y'all have ever been grounded and you've been put in time out, my wife, Mrs. Solo Yacker, put me in timeout. So we got Acura Amanda in the house. We've got, I think I saw, I'm trying not to do this while I'm driving, but I think I saw, oh, wrong person. Yeah. I thought it was Auto the Audit for a minute. Yeah, very much so, Cop 350ZX. You know, like I said, the video is not going to see the light of day until either after the court date or when the lawyer says it's okay to release it. So that's what I would say about this video. Yeah, that's all I can say about it. And yes, my wife, Shauna, she's an amazing woman. I am very, very lucky to have such an amazing woman. And once again, you know, when she met me, I was perfectly okay with gun. I wouldn't say I was a gun advocate. I was a believer in the Second Amendment. But now, in these last 3 years or so, it's kind of went complete 360, and now I've become this gun activist. And I kind of skipped the advocate part and just went straight from supporter, activist. So, and you know, she doesn't always agree with where I go and stuff, but she is very supportive, and she understands the passion that I have for doing this. So she's an amazing woman. You know, be with her. I can't say that enough. We have our little spats here and there, but she is just an amazing woman to deal with the things I put her through. So I love you, Shauna. If you're watching this, I hope you're there. I love you to death. OVT's in the house. What's up? OVT, I'll give you a call a little bit later, man. I'm freaking, like I said, I'll call you after this live stream. I'm probably going to end here in about, I'm going to say about 4 more minutes. Because I still have about an hour and a half or so to drive. Yay. Yeah. And all I do is want to sleep. Just want to just roll over into bed, sleep. So, but anyway, let me think. What else can we talk about that I can talk about? Oh, I've got some records requests that I'm paying for. I'll probably be paying for them later on today when I get home. Those should be coming out. Those are some more results. You know, that's going to keep me busy. Hopefully I can continue getting some of these records in a timely manner to where I can just keep pumping out videos for all of you. Because, you know, yeah. Who is that? The Luna Family Vlog says, how is being the shot caller in prison? You want to know something, man? I've been to jail before when I was younger, you know, and jail wasn't for me. Like, the first time I went to jail, I sat next to a guy that was covered in blood, and he just had killed his wife. And I was all of 18, and I'm just looking at this guy, and I'm like, holy crap. And it scared the crap out of me, and I was like, this is not the place for me. The food sucks. The correctional officers, like 95, 98% of them that work in that correctional facility, they are a bunch of assholes. Whenever you're at their mercy, they don't give two flying stuffs about you, your needs, and not even your needs. You know, like when I was dealing with what I was dealing with, I asked 2 different COs, I think it was 6 times in the 7 hours I was being held before I went to my cell. So in 7 hours, I had asked them 6 times, can I just get the address of the police station? Because I need to get there to get my keys and my guns and all this stuff. I'm like, I don't know their number. I don't have a phone. I don't have any way to access or anything. What I was about to do, I was in like almost South Beach, Miami, and I had to go to Miami, and I was gonna basically get on a bus. I was gonna have to get on a bus because I didn't know if I was being picked up. I didn't know anything. So, you know, and I was gonna have to travel from there all the way to North Miami just to go back, just to get the keys to the car, my guns, and my cameras, and yeah, you know, yeah. This is my new telescoping selfie stick. You can see that. That's my selfie stick. That's all I can really show you right now. Everything else is like, yeah, that is what it is too, man. And I deal with it, you know, and it's not the first time this has happened. It's like, this has happened too many times that I care to friggin' be happy about, but it is what it is. Stop saying, don't worry, I'll delete this video. But anyway, like I said, I was going to plan on running this for 4 more minutes. It's been 5. I'm going to actually go ahead and get out of here. I am driving right now. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Yes, I got my firearm. I got everything back that was seized from me. But yeah, Acura Amanda, wait till after the court date. I mean, or you can go down there. I know that hopefully I can make it back down there after the court date and after we figure out exactly, because at this point I wasn't arrested because I was going to fishing. They were arresting me because I was on my way to go fishing, but they thought yeah, I can't say that. I'm gonna shut up. Anyway, there was a part in this that part, and you know. Anyway, you know, every one of y'all, guys and girls. Oh, I will be giving away that flashlight. I hit 6,000 subscribers, I think, a little while I was in Miami, and I think over the last couple days it grew a couple hundred more while I was in jail and as I got out and before I got my phone. So thank you for all the new subscribers. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of good stuff coming, and that's all I can really say right now. Like, I'm just tired. I want to get home. I want to hug my daughter. I want to kiss my wife. And I don't want to go to work. I love my job, but I don't want to go to work. Not today, anyway. But Solo Yacker, deuces, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I thank all for all the support. I really do. So I'm out, y'all. Later.